Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring 5 stunning bathroom makeover ideas that will transform your space. Whether you're aiming for a serene spa-like retreat or a bold statement bathroom, we've got the perfect tips and tricks to inspire you. Spa-inspired oasis. First up, the spa-inspired oasis. To create this relaxing retreat, stick to a neutral color palette with whites and soft grays. Incorporate natural elements like wooden accents and lush green plants. Upgrade to a rainfall showerhead and add plush, fluffy towels to complete the spa-like atmosphere. Bold and beautiful. If you love making a statement, our second idea is the bold and beautiful bathroom. Think dramatic dark walls, gold fixtures, and striking tile patterns. Mix and match textures and colors to create a truly unique and eye-catching space. Classic elegance. Next, we have the classic elegance makeover. This style is all about timeless beauty. Opt for marble countertops, elegant light fixtures, and a freestanding bathtub. Incorporate vintage elements like an ornate mirror or antique-inspired accessories for added charm and sophistication. Before we move on to the next ideas, if you're enjoying these tips, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite bathroom style, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Modern minimalist. Now, let's talk about the modern minimalist bathroom. This design focuses on simplicity and functionality. Choose sleek, clean lines and minimal color schemes. Maximize storage with built-in cabinets, and use a frameless glass shower and understated fixtures to keep the space open and airy. Eclectic charm. Last but not least, the eclectic charm bathroom. This style is perfect for those who love a mix of styles and eras. Combine colorful tiles, quirky accessories, and vintage finds to create a space that truly reflects your personality. Don't be afraid to mix bold colors and patterns for a fun, whimsical look. That's it for our top 5 bathroom makeover ideas. We hope you found some inspiration for your own bathroom transformation. Remember, a well-designed bathroom can be both functional and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!